MMT of shoulder joint. Before learning about this, we need to understand the movements of shoulder joint. Shoulder flexion, shoulder extension, shoulder adduction, shoulder abduction, internal rotation and external rotation. Here you can see the degrees of every movement. Now let's understand them in more brief. That shoulder flexion is of 180 degree and extension is of 45 degree, and the adduction is 180 degree and abduction is also 180 degree. External rotation is of 0 to 90 degree and internal rotation is also 0 to 90 degree. As you can see that the range of motion is 0 to 180 degree, and in grade 3 the subject flexes the shoulder at least 90 degree without any resistance, and the grade 4 and grade 5 the subject is sitting with 90 degree flexion and palm downward, and the resistance is applied in a downward direction. In the same manner, in grade 5, the resistance increases by the therapist. In grade 2, the subject is sidelined with the upper extremity supported on a smooth surface, and the subject flexes the shoulder through the maximum range of motion. In grade 1 and grade 0, the anterior deltoid is palpated during the movement, and the coracobrachialis is also palpated in the axilla. During shoulder extension, the range of motion is 45 degree, and in grade 3 the subject's arm upward towards the ceiling through a maximum range of motion without any resistance. In grade 4 and grade 5 the resistance is applied on the elbow in a downward direction. In grade 4 minimal resistance, in grade 5 maximal resistance. In grade 2, the subject position is sidelined with the upper extremity supported on a smooth surface, and the subject extends the forearm through the maximum range of motion. In grade 1 and 0, the palpation done on latissimus dorsi, and in 0, no contraction is felt. You have seen this plus and minus sign on grades. Let's understand them. Plus sign indicates that the person can hold the hand position, and minus sign indicates that the person cannot hold the hand position. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.